Rushing. This is my makeup that I have for today's class, and I will try to show you guys the outfit like while I'm in the studio or after, but I have to go because I'm literally rushing. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Raquel. You saw in the first part of this vlog that I had my first ballet class. You guys, I'm 27 years old and I'm starting ballet for the first time. I have no prior dance experience. I was a competitive cheerleader for most of my life, and I always sucked at the dance part. That we had to dance because usually at the end of the routine, or some teams do it in the middle of the team, whatever, but we would have like a dance. And I was always the one ducking. Like I was never good at dance. And starting ballet, I'm just like, where do I put my arms? How is everyone so graceful? I'm like, I feel like I have no idea what I'm doing. But the girls there said that whole graceful thing comes with time. So just me, I'm like, oh, I want to get it done on the first try, you know? So, but I'm really excited. I'm excited for my next class. If you want to start ballet, as an adult, I definitely suggest like going to a local studio. Just do like a quick Google search, ballet studios near me. You can also go on like TikTok and say like ballet studios in whatever area you're in and see what comes up and try them out. Usually like studios have like trial classes that you can do. These girls on YouTube and TikTok and whatever, they make it look so easy. It is definitely not easy, but I'm excited to see where this journey takes me. I have a lot of work to do, and I'm ready. Like, I need to get a ballet bar in my house. Start like when I'm not at class, I want to start, you know, I want to get ahead on things. Try to definitely vlog some more. I'm really looking forward to my next class. Anyways, I have to start Christmas shopping. I have 4 siblings. There's 5 of us total. And then I have my boyfriend, my mom, my dad, my brother's wife. Like, I just have so many people that I have to shop for, and I haven't even started yet. Like, my boyfriend and I, we always wait until the last minute to get gifts for people, but I'm gonna try not, and we have to shop for his family too, my goodness. But with his family, we do like Secret Santa. So every year we like draw a name, and then we just shop for that person, and then we'll give like his mom and his dad gifts as well. But yeah, so my family, everybody gets a gift, so I have to shop for 7 people, and everyone's getting older, so it's not like they like little kid toys anymore, you know. They like grown adult things. And my best friend, she lives miles and miles away from me. We're in a long distance relationship. I want to get her a really nice gift as well. I already have an idea of what I want to get her. I was actually going to get it for her birthday, but it wasn't going to arrive on time. So I was like, I'll just save it for Christmas. I really think she'll appreciate it, but I don't want to say it on here because I don't want her to know. We were just planning our girls trip, and we're going to try to see I haven't seen her at all this year. I haven't seen her since last year. And because we usually go to New York Fashion Week together every year. We didn't go this year. We're crossing my fingers, like hopefully the trip leaves the group chat. But no, it definitely will. I got my first Stanley. I was so against the Stanley Cup, but I saw the video on TikTok where the girl's car caught on fire. The only thing that was still together was the Stanley, and I was like, that video right there sold me. Then the next video, Stanley was like, we want to replace your car. And I was like, that's so sweet. So I feel like that just inspired me to go buy a Stanley. I don't want to be one of the girls who are like, oh my gosh, I'm drinking out of my Stanley, like a Stanley girl. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I refuse to hop on that train, but I understand it. Here's the Stanley. I got it from Target, and it was $35, I think. I have this thing where I only drink Evian water. I'll tell you guys why. I do drink other water, but I always prefer Evian. And last year I was having, last year or so, I was having a really difficult time with swallowing. It was like the lack of the minerals in my body, being vegan, vegetarian. I talked about this in one of my previous vlogs, but I was having a really difficult time swallowing, and it got so bad that I couldn't swallow my water. So I started off with like zara water. I could not swallow that. The water was way too hard for me. I went to Fiji, and Fiji was a lot better for me, but I was still just like, I couldn't swallow. I tried Evian water, and Evian was the only water that would quench my thirst. I could swallow it. I wouldn't have a problem. That, and then the Hawaiian volcanic water. I don't know the brand of that one. Yeah, so I know this is like, I don't know. It's not like embarrassing to tell, but it was just like such a weird time in my life. But yeah, so I always get Evian, and I put my Evian in my Stanley now. So that's where I was getting at, that I put my Evian in my Stanley. I'm just kind of rambling at this point, but I want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and my community here is very, very small, but I'm very thankful for every single view that I have, and I'm really close to 500 subscribers. And I just can't wait to see, like, I'm really, really proud of myself for uploading twice a week in November. And I really feel like every day I'm becoming the person that I see myself being and that God wants me to be. I feel like I'm being the person that I was called to be. And, you know, YouTube aside, but like personal things as well. And I'm very, very proud of myself, but I'm really thankful for you guys, and thank you for every like and for every subscribe and for watching my videos. But I guess let's get to the next part of the vlog. Also, I've told you guys this before. I'm going to tell you again. You see the camera right now? You need these lights. I'm like wearing the same fit in all my YouTube videos. Nobu's in, I don't know if there's a Nobu in Dallas.
I know there's a Nobu in Dallas.
Can you take a picture of us? Yeah, for sure.
Are you recording me? Camera?
We're both in it.
Why are you so
It's just
dark?
the sun's in the way.
Huh.
My camera's dying.
Is that really? How do you know? Is it about to die? Like right now?
The fire! You saw the fire coming down?
That's crazy.